Making a kill key with a big pencil. First, remove the tip from your mechanical pencil. Then extend and trim off the graphite ejector, allowing for the removal of the exterior tube. Afterwards, remove the eraser and graphite, followed by cutting the tube well below the eraser end. The same process can be done more precisely and without crushing the tube if you use a small saw. This is also the time to take the measurements of the space for your kill key and trim it to size. Mine will be flush fit, so I'm removing most of the eraser end. Then the ends can be smoothed and any excess material removed with a file and sandpaper. The plastic won't take paint or dye very well without sanding the surface, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm also cleaning up the slight burr on the edges with an X-Acto knife. And voila, it has a great fit. Now the last step for this particular key is to be submerged in leather dye to give it a nice color that fits the saber. There's plenty of room for customization of your own kill keys using this method, but I hope my idea gets your creative wheels going, or saves you a little time and money. Thanks for watching everyone, I'll see you again soon.